Guys, welcome back to the garage. Uh Update on the car. We bought some new lug nuts in red. We also got the brake caliper paint in red as well, and we already went ahead and changed the valve stems and whatnot. But now comes the next bod to the garage. Either a south mount garage opener, it's about what, 500-600 bucks, or a custom nice power washing setup. That's gonna be about 700 bucks. So I'm not too sure which one to do first. I leave in a few weeks, so I'm thinking which one. Which one you guys think I should do? Or should we do both? Man, I'm thinking about the power washer setup. Yeah, I think that's gonna be nice. And I gotta do my own plumbing, so that's gonna be nice to do. Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. And today's episode is all about the garage. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and install the side mount garage opener. It's gonna go somewhere around here. We also have a UV PTZ indoor camera that we're gonna install somewhere around here, and also the MR2 smart garage video opener with a keypad and also a camera. So we are going to be prepared. You already know. I don't even think I'm gonna do a time lapse me installing it. I'll do a little video here and there, but it's super easy, and let's get to it. Let's go. And here we go, guys. It's on, and we are working. Just cut a piece of wood for the putty tensioner. We're gonna add it right over here. And yeah, guys, okay. I gotta cut the emergency cable, but we'll do that later on. Let's go. Beautiful garage is a mess, it's a mess. Working on the side mount garage opener. We also got the camera and the keypad too. But I'm gonna call it quits because, oh man, it's super hot and this is not working. So yeah, dale. Guys, you know I said I was gonna quit, but you know I can't. Try something different now. Let's see. All right. Guys, after redoing pretty much everything, you know what it was? I still had the old locks. So every time I would try to go up, the old locks would prevent it. Oh my God, my garage is a total mess. I've done this 2 times. But let's go. Let me see. Let me move that. Hey. Guys, moment of truth. My garage is a mess, but I don't care, man. Whatever. People know my garage is always legit. Yes. There we go. Let's go all the way up. Oh yeah. Buddy, we are in action, Papi. Let's go. I'm gonna clean up the garage first, and then I'll lift it up and do it. But this was, oh my God, man. Sometimes it's the little things. But yeah, let's clean this garage and I'll be right back. Get okay. Now we are working on the wiring. I had to make 2 holes here just because I pretty much fucked up. So I made my job 10 times harder. But wiring is done here. I just gotta run it to the garage opener And now we're just using this, whatever you call it, to get the access to the new location. So yeah, let's go to the attic. I'm sweating bullets. I've been to the attic like 10, I think like 20 times. Dale, let's go. Estoy jodido, mi gente. Estoy jodido. Wiring is right here. I gotta go all the way to the corner. Shit, I'm too big for this, bro. What the fuck am I gonna get there? I'm telling you guys, it's super small. I'm too big for this shit. Coño, estoy jodido. Bueno, let's go ahead. Ay, ay. ¿Usted cree que un gordo como yo? Miren para allá. La entrada está para allá ahí. Un gordo como yo puede estar ahí haciendo esta vaina para un garage opener. Está loco. And guys, garage is semi-clean. Not clean enough, but for now it will work. I still got program this, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. And then, yeah, guys, this is how the wiring looks. It's still not done. I still need to mess with it a little bit. And I gotta paint, but yeah, it's not perfect, but for now, it's gonna work. Yeah, but yeah, let's go ahead and open the door. All done, guys. Que lo que.